In response to several requests from frequent business visitors to Jiribam, the state government has introduced a new policy to ease entry and exit for those engaged in small-scale commerce. The decision follows a request to relocate the ILP Inner Line Permit checkpost from Jiribam to Lengakpokpi Police Post, which was deemed unfeasible at this time. Under the new regulation, individuals visiting Jiribam for business purposes will now be eligible for a 30-day temporary ILP system. This permit will allow daily entry and exit within the district without the need to reapply or formally exit the system daily. At the end of each 30-day period, visitors will be required to submit a fresh application after a one-day gap to renew their ILP. The state government anticipates that this change will minimize disruptions for local business operators, allowing them to conduct their activities more efficiently.